Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I'm Apurvi. On this channel, I share with you delicious eggless baking recipes. Today, we are going to make eggless Choco Lava Cake that I'm going to make without inserting any chocolate block, yet still achieving that lava flow. Let's begin. First, combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl, starting with 75 gram of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt. Mix and set aside. In another bowl, take 100 gram of castor sugar, 200 ml room temperature milk or lukewarm milk for quicker sugar dissolution, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Using a hand whisk, mix until all the sugar is completely dissolved and set it aside. Now in a microwave safe bowl, combine 150 gram of chopped dark chocolate. Chopping it helps it melt faster. 25 gram cocoa powder. Adding it here will enhance chocolate flavor when rehydrated. 100 gram of unsalted butter. If using salted butter, skip the salt in the recipe. Melt the mixture in the microwave in 10 to 15 second intervals, stirring in between to prevent burning. Once melted, set aside to cool to room temperature. While the chocolate mixture cools, prepare the ramekins. These are 115 ml capacity ramekins by greasing them well with melted butter. This recipe makes 6 choco lava cakes. Dust the greased ramekins with cocoa powder for easier demolding and set it aside. Please give my video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. It really helps. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on that bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Now combine all the ingredients to form the batter. Add the dry ingredient to the wet mixture, whisking or folding to avoid lumps. Add the melted chocolate mixture and mix thoroughly. Pour the batter into the prepared ramekins. Smoothing the top surface for an even rise. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes until the edges are set but the center remains slightly jiggly. Once baked, let the choco lava cake cool slightly until the ramekins are touchable. Run a knife around the edges and demold the cake. Dust with icing sugar or cocoa powder. Just look at that. We have achieved a perfect Choco Lava Cake without using any chocolate block inserts, just like the one made with eggs. This definitely deserves a like and subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and do it. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.